Hey everyone, welcome to Babs Projects. Today I'm going to show you how to make Malvani Crab Curry, and this is a delicious spicy crab curry which my mother-in-law taught me. It's super easy to make, and if you follow me I'll show you how to make it. Here I have some crab which I had cleaned earlier, and I also showed you in the video how to clean this crab and how to separate them. So this I'm going to use for the curry. So the first step to make a crab curry is to make a nice delicious stock. For that I'm going to use these legs and I'm going to add them to the blender. I'm going to add some water. And then now I'm going to blend it. So I've blended the crab legs and to make a stock, and now I'm going to strain it so that I just have the liquid part of it. You can see it. I'm going to get as much liquid out of this as possible because I'm going to use this stock in the curry later. So here is the stock that I got after blending the crab legs. As you can see, it's quite dark over here. I added a cup of water to while blending. So this I'm going to use in the curry. So to start the recipe, first I'm going to saute some onions. The oil is already heated up over here. So I'm going to add onions. I'll saute them till they are lightly brown. Now to this onion I'm going to add stock. This is the stock from the crab legs. Next I'm going to add some water. Turmeric, salt, and this is the Malvani Garam Masala. I'm going to add this one as well. I'm going to mix this well and bring it to a boil. The recipe for Malvani Garam Masala is up on my blog. I'm adding the link down in the description so you can check that out. So now I'm going to just place a lid on it and bring it to a quick boil. You can see this curry is boiling really well. I'm going to add a little bit of red chili powder for some color and more spiciness. And now to this I'm going to add the crabs. And now this I'm going to again cover it with the lid and allow it to cook. If I want some more water I will add it later, but right now this is fine. I'll just cover it with the lid and allow it to cook. This curry is looking good. You can see the crabs have changed the color and it's smelling amazing over here. Now the last thing that I have to add to this is Vaatan. Vaatan is this. This is a Vaatan. It's a coconut paste with little bit of onion and black pepper, and this will help the curry thicken up. So I'm going to add this Vaatan, and the recipe for Vaatan is also up on my blog. You can check that out. And now I'll cook another 2 to 3 minutes, and that will help this curry come together and slightly thicken it up. Cover the lid again, and that's it. Look at this. This is done. The Vaatan, the coconut paste, made everything come together, and that's it. I will take it off heat and it is ready to be served. So here you can see the Malvani crab curry is done. It's absolutely delicious. It's delicious. It smells amazing. I had a taste of it and it was absolutely out of this world. You can serve this with some nice hot cooked rice, and that's it. You're done with a meal. If you like this recipe, make sure to let me know in the comment below and like the video also, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Another reminder, all of the ingredients and exact measurements will be up on my blog, and I'll be posting a link in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Until next time, goodbye.